Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the trunk on your Buick Lacrosse. First, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the various methods available. We'll cover the interior release button, the convenient key fob option, and important manual release procedures. Knowing these steps ensures you can always access your trunk, whether you're inside or outside the car. Let's get started with the most common methods. To open your trunk from inside the car, look for the dedicated release button. It's typically located on the driver's side door panel, often near the power window controls. Simply press this button, and you'll hear the trunk unlatch. Always make sure your vehicle is in park before attempting to open the trunk from the interior for safety. This is the most common and convenient way to access your trunk when you're already in the car. When you're outside the car, your key fob is your best friend for trunk access. Simply press and hold the trunk release button on your fob for a few seconds, and the trunk will pop open. If your fob isn't handy, many Buick Lacrosse models also feature an exterior touch pad. Look for it just above the rear license plate. With the car unlocked, press this pad to release the trunk latch. In an emergency, or if someone is accidentally locked inside, there's an internal emergency release. Look for a glow-in-the-dark handle inside the trunk, usually near the latch. Pull this handle to open the trunk from the inside. It's a crucial safety feature. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.